are desperately trying to manipulate the global narrative. What did you get information about that, Mr. Chair?
Pwede na po akong...
Go ahead. Sige.
Yes, Mr. Chair, pwede na po ako sumagot?
Yes.
Okay. Doon po sa mga nauna niyo pong tanong, kung saan, ang sabi ko nga po ay hoax. Ang pinagbabasihan ko po doon ay yung mga naglalabasan ngayon na panibagong impormasyon. Kita naman po ito sa social media, ano po, kung saan yung mga napabilang na EJK, yung mga nagpakita ng picture ng mga anak nila na namatay daw sa EJK, actually ay hindi po connected sa EJK. At yung iba po ay buhay na buhay naman po. That's why, ang sabi ko nga ay hoax dahil yung mga pinakita ng mga nagrarally at pinapakita nila na namatay sa EJK ay hindi naman po patay.
Mr. Chair, nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Mr. Chair? Nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Yung mga biktima ng EJK ay nandoon at nagkaroon pa sila ng prayer rally, Mr. Chair? Nag-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing?
Okay, Mr. Chair, okay, salamat po at pagkakataong sumagot. Yes, nakapanood na po ako ng Quadcom at napanood ko rin po yung mga latest na ganap ngayon kung saan may isang Aling Sheila, Aling Lori, Aling another mother, kung saan yun po yung mga anak nilang pinapakitang namatay sa EJK ay hindi naman po. Doon po yun po yung pinanggagalingan ng aking isinulat na opinyon. Yun po ay reaksyon at opinyon sa mga nabalitaan ko po sa social media at sa mga news online. Again, those are my personal reaction and opinion on the current events.
Mr. Chair, ang hirap nun, makakabalita ka ng anuman, tapos you're going to put up an opinion, and you want to let the people believe it's the truth. Yun ang problema dyan eh. Facts. Try mo, they want you to believe that every young life lost was at the hands of our people's President, Rody Duterte. This is a blatant lie.
That is my, pwede na pong sumagot, Your Honor?
Yes, go ahead. Sige, go ahead.
Again, that is my truth. Those are my opinion. And nakabase naman din po yan sa mga available information. Ngayon, makikita po natin na yun nga po, may mga EJK victims nga raw na hindi naman pala. Yun nga po, sabi, yung raw po, I'm referring...
You have no right to say it's a massive hoax.
Mr. Chairman, with indulgence of Chairman.
Yes, Mr.
Ma'am, yung sinasabi mong mga facts ngayon na lumalabas, is it an official document coming from those investigation by government agencies, by Quadcom, or just a mere in the social media accounts?
Sir, Your Honor, if I'm not mistaken, nasa newspaper na rin po yan.
Sandali po. Nasa newspaper. Pero ang tinatanong ko po, anong source ng newspaper? Is it an official document or findings of the Human Rights Commission? Absolutely, ma'am,
yes,
madam,
Your Honor.
absolutely not. Because during our hearing, the Quadcom, all those victims, yung mga families na nandun, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission.
Okay, Your Honor.
In fact, we have all the list.
Your Honor, can I also answer now, kung pwede po?
Okay.
Lumabas po na may mga kapatid, yung mga biktima, na sila po mismo ang nagdi-deny doon sa mga pinapalita ngayon
Mr. Chair, I'd like to interject for a while here while you're answering. Ang binabangkit mo, may nabalitaan ka? May nabalitaan ka? I mean, my goodness, if you would like to be a resource person here in this committee, kinakailangan, meron kang basis, meron kang tunay na basis, meron kang dokumento na masasabi. Sapagkat, Luka, ang Commission on Human Rights, for example, nag-imbestiga ng EJK at maraming nakita. Kami, in my Committee of Human Rights, marami kaming nakita. Samantalang ikaw, sinasabi mo, massive hoax ito. Wag naman, Mr. Chair. Gusto kong maniwala sa statement mo kanina, pero ngayon, itong statement na ito, hindi na maganda eh. Nagsabi ka pa ng facts. Some of these so-called victims died years before or after Duterte's presidency. Where'd you get the information?
Nasa balita po, Your Honor. Yung iba po ay namatay ngayong last year lang po,
Madam,
2024.
Mr. Chairman? Madam, sa Quadcom po, sa hearing namin, at it was confirmed by Human Rights Commission, lahat po na nakalista doon, under our records, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission. Wala po doon yung prior and after ng Duterte's administration. And, Mr. Chairman, kindly, let me just remind that, sir, is he your counsel?
No, sir. From the House of Representatives po siya.
From the House?
Nagpapapirma po. Sabi ko mamaya na kasi busy po tayo.
Anyway, madam.
Apo.
Ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now you're talking about those mga disclaimer ng family. Now, ang tanong ko po, is it documented, under oath? Do you have a document for that? Or just a mere media reports?
Alin po, sir, yung tinatanong po ninyong documented or media reports?
Sinasabi mo na may mga families of victims na deny, na-refute yung claims.
Posted po ng mga
ayun nga problema,
nila,
posted sa social media. Ang sinasabi ko, madam, baseless yan kasi based on our investigation, and unless otherwise, you can have a document under oath that indeed a certain family of victims clarified and dispute that data.
Okay po, Your Honor, noted po. Next time.
noted?
Yeah, noted
Anong
po na.
noted?
Noted po na.
Tinatanong po kita kung may dokumento ka bang hawak, wala.
Tulad po ng sagot ko kanina, Your Honor.
You answer my question, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I'm trying to answer, Your Honor.
Sandali po.
Apo.
Yes or no? Do you have the document? Under oath?
Sir, like I said,
Answer yes or no? Remember, I am just asking you if you have the document or not under oath.
of the family who
Yeah,
reported?
yeah.
None, sir.
Oh, none.
It's on the, like I said, it's a...
So none. You don't have.
Okay, sir. Next time po,
What's
kukuha
next
po muna-
time?
next time po, bago po tayo magsulat ng mga ganon, kailangan kumuha po muna tayo ng mga dokumento under oath at hindi tayo basta magbabase sa sinasabi
Chair.
ng mainstream media.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you.
let me continue on the statement he said.
Yes.
Sinabi niya, facts to nakalagay facts. Many are completely unrelated to drugs or EJK. Some of them are still very much alive. You said you do not have any documents on that. Now look, Miss
MJ na lang po. Para hindi po
Miss MJ,
po.
you are accountable to the victims and you are accountable to us in the Quadcom. Pinasinungalingan mo kami. Pinasinungalingan mo ang mga victims. Now look, if you do not apologize right now, you listen.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you do not apologize, I am going to make a motion to hold you in contempt.
I apologize, sir. And tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanina, sa susunod po ay maghahanap na lang po muna tayo ng mga under
Yun.
oath. At
Okay
hindi
to,
po tayo magre-rely sa mga balita ng news
Salamat
na lang.
po.
Okay po.
Kaya
Maliwanag
fake news. Yun ang ibig sabihin, non-fake news. Ito, tutuloy ko.
Salamat din po, Your Honor.
Ito sinabi nyo, ikaw, binanggit mo na ito and this is something that you should apologize also. Anong sabi mo? Do not let these criminal forces twist reality to turn a strong, decisive leader into a monster. Now let me ask you, who are these criminal forces?
Ms. MJ, please answer.
Okay. I have this, kasi tulad ng sabi ko, ito po ay mga reaction at opinion ko lamang.
Well, therefore
At,
you apologize because this is
okay
not
po,
true.
sir. Okay, sir. I apologize.
Okay, Mr. Chair, this is the second time that Miss MJ has apologized. I hope that next time, kayong mga vloggers, wag kayong magbibigay ng opinion lang, impression ninyo. Ibigay nyo yung katotohanan, may dokumento kayo. Sapagkat meron kaming documents to show Naiinsulto ko, I am insulted with your statement. Being the chairman of the Human Rights and one that's investigating, I am actually insulted with your statement.
Again, my apologies, sir, and noted po sa mga suggestions po ninyo. At gusto ko lang din pong sabihin na yung pong post has nothing to do with you. Hindi po, it has nothing to do with, pasensya na po.
Well, Mr. Chair, maraming salamat, no? Yung binabanggit mong nothing to do with me, pero yung tinawag mong criminal forces, kasama kami dun ikaw naman, mag-isip naman kayo. Ang hirap nito, Mr. Chair, itong mga vloggers na iba, ito ang mga tanga tatanga-tanga ang gobyerno. Mag-isip kayo. Hindi lang sumusulat kayo kung anong gusto nyo isulat dyan. You're telling us, yung criminal forces, gusto kong sabihin ngayon, Mr. Chair, publicly, ikaw ang tanga.
Okay, Your Honor, pero...
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Representative Ponduano.
Mr. Chairman, just a matter of protocol. May I move to strike out the statement of the Chairman Abante
Second.
addressed to MJ?
Second, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Any objection? There being none, the uttered words is taken off. Any further questions?
I rest, Mr. Chair, and thank you so much. I'm not angry at you, Miss MJ. We're just stating the truth here.
Okay, Your Honor. Pero again, hindi ko pa alam kung saan niyo po nakukuha yung idea niyo na kayo yung criminal forces. Hindi po. Anyway,
Ikaw ang
I
sumulat,
apologize.
Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang sumulat,
My apologies. Yes, okay. My
Sinulat
apologies,
mo
sir.
yun
Okay po, tanga po ako, sir.
My goodness.
Okay, we now proceed to the next interpolator. Mayor